Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe for an all-purpose flour. It's gluten-free and lectin-free, and it's very simple to make. I know that they have a lot of pre-made mixes out in the market, and those are very good, but I like to make my own mix because I just like to be mindful of, using organic flour when I can, and so that's why I like to make my own mix. First, we'll add half a cup of blanched almond flour into a bowl. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of arrowroot flour, and then we're going to add 1/8 of a cup of tapioca flour and 1/8 of a cup of coconut flour. Then you're just going to whisk it together. And so there you have it, a very simple recipe for an all-purpose flour mix that's lectin-free and gluten-free. But oftentimes I like to make a giant batch of this and keep it in a jar and just use it as I need it for recipes. And so you could probably triple or quadruple this recipe so you can make a nice amount of flour for yourself. And it works wonderfully in cakes and cookies. Enjoy.